Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to chat with the customer service in the Disneyland application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the three lines at the bottom of the page on the right. And then if you scroll down, look for the Chat with Us button and click on that. And as you can see, here's a chat section where you can enter your message. You can have some questions, and then as it says, a cast member will reply you soon. And if you're done with the conversation, at the options section, you can choose the end this conversation button as well. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.